Good morning, students, and welcome to today's class. Today we are doing chapter 12 of English grammar. The topic is past continuous tense. Now we have learned about present continuous tense, and in present continuous tense we talk about the actions which are happening now in present continuous tense. But in past continuous tense we talk about the actions which were taking place in the past. They are not taking place now. They were taking place in the past. Like, I was celebrating Diwali on 14th November 2020. But today is 17th November, so I am not celebrating Diwali today. I was celebrating Diwali on 14th November 2020. We were celebrating Diwali on 14th November 2020. Now look at this picture. You know the story? The Pied Piper of Hamelin. So the rats were following the piper. This action is taking place before, not now. The rats were following the piper. So, were following is the action word here. It is showing the action. What are the rats doing? The rats were following. Action word is were following. And this were following is in past continuous tense because this action was taking place before. Red Riding Hood was going to her granny's house. So what was Red Riding Hood doing? She was going to her granny's house. So was going is in past continuous tense. Now Cinderella was wearing a beautiful gown. So what was Cinderella doing? Cinderella was wearing a beautiful gown. So was wearing is in past continuous tense. Now this is Little Miss Muffet. Miss Muffet was sitting on a tuffet. So what was Miss Muffet doing? Miss Muffet was sitting. So was sitting is the action word. It is showing the action, and this action was happening before, was taking place before, sometimes before in the past. So we call it past continuous tense. So now let us read and understand what is past continuous tense. So please read with me, read carefully. We use the past continuous tense to talk about actions that were happening at a particular time in the past. They were happening in the past. and the was were. We use was were plus ing form of the verb. So, in past continuous tense, we use was or were plus ing form of the verb, like I have shown you in the tense chart also, that in continuous tense always we use ing form of the verb. Present continuous tense also we use ing form of the verb, and past continuous tense also we use ing form of the verb. And these was were plus ing form of the verb tell us that the actions were happening sometimes in the past. They are not happening now when I am speaking. They were happening sometime in the past. Like you can say, we were studying in our classroom last year. We were studying in our classroom last year. That was happening in the past. So that is past continuous tense. Now what will you say about now? Is in present continuous tense. Like we are studying from our house now. We are studying from our house now. So this is in present continuous. Past was we were studying in our classrooms last year. Now yesterday I saw this. Yesterday when I went out, a woman was drawing water from a well. So it has happened already, taken place in the past. When I saw that time, a woman was drawing water from a well. So this action is over now. That time the woman, what was the woman doing? She was drawing water from a well. But not now. This is already over. And was drawing is in past continuous tense. So let us see in past continuous tense with I, he, she, it and all singular nouns we use was. Like I was staying, he was staying, she was staying, it was staying. And with you, we, you in plural form, you all, they plus all plural nouns we use were. W-E-R-E, were. So understood? With I, he, she, it and singular nouns we use was in past continuous tense, and with you, we, they and all plural nouns we use were. Now use of was. Now you have understood, in past continuous tense we use was. W-A-S, was. Now let us see the examples. He was running. She was running. It was running. I was running. The boy was running. The girl was running. The baby was running. The cheetah was running. You see, with the pronouns he, she, it, I, we use was, and all singular nouns we use was in past continuous tense. And we use were, W-E-R-E, were, with we, they, you, and all plural nouns. Like we were running, they were running, you were running, the boys were running, the girls were running.